Welcome to Bali, the island of the gods. Whether you're dreaming of luxurious retreats or heart-pounding adventures, this tropical paradise has it all. From opulent villas to adrenaline-packed excursions, let's explore the ultimate Bali experience. Part 1. Luxury Escapes. Let's start with luxury. Bali is home to some of the most stunning resorts and private villas in the world. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves at the AYANA Resort and Spa, or relaxing in your private infinity pool overlooking the jungle at the Hanging Gardens of Bali. For those craving beachfront bliss, the W Bali Seminyak offers a perfect mix of elegance and vibrant energy. And if wellness is your goal, indulge in rejuvenating spa treatments at the Como Shambhala estate. Make sure to book villas directly for exclusive perks like private chefs and spa discounts. Part 2. Culinary Delights. No luxury escape is complete without incredible food. Savor world-class dining at Locavor, a Michelin-starred gem in Ubud, or enjoy beachfront dining at La Luciola with fresh seafood and Italian-inspired dishes. Don't forget to explore Bali's vibrant local cuisine. Try babi guling, Bali's iconic roasted pork, or vegan delicacies at Alchemy. You will need to reserve tables in advance, especially during the high season. Part 3. Adventure Trips. For the adventurers, Bali is a playground of excitement. Surf the legendary waves at Uluwatu Beach or take a diving trip to Nusa Penida, where you might spot manta rays. Feeling daring? Embark on a sunrise trek up Mount Batur, an active volcano offering breathtaking views. And for jungle explorers, try white water rafting on the Ayang River. To ensure safety and enhance your experience, hire a guide for activities like trekking and diving. Part 4. Hidden Gems. Escape the crowds and discover Bali's hidden gems. Visit Tegenungan Waterfall for a serene nature escape or explore the lesser-known Sidemen Valley for tranquil rice terraces and traditional Balinese culture. Plan your visits early in the morning to avoid crowds. From luxury escapes to unforgettable adventures, Bali truly offers something for everyone. Ready to plan your dream trip? Comment below on which Bali adventure you would try first. See you in the next adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Travveltales for more travel inspiration. Next destination, coming soon.